welcome back to Greenstone Ivy. Hope everyone's well. Slight change of plan for me. So I was planning on being inside today, inside my workshop, carving the top of a memorial stone with some leaves, which I'm still going to do, but I'm going to put it back a couple of days. I've got a job that I need to do outside, a piece of stone what weighs probably like half a ton, just over. Very similar but smaller version to the Longley Farm job we did with the cow, the memorial one. If you didn't see that video, I'll stick a link in the description right at the top to have a look up. So it's very similar. So instead of the cow silhouette, we're going for a cat, a sitting cat. I want to do it now because we've had such a dry year so far. I know the weather's going to change soon, and it'll change the day I'm meant to carve this sign. So I'm going to do it this afternoon, well this morning and this afternoon, and get it all finished up, so tomorrow, the day after, I can get back inside and carve the leaves. So I'm going to go and put the stone in front of the workshop now, stack it on some pallets with a forklift, and then we'll get doing a bit of carving. job done, all finished up, all carved out, all cleaned up, all painted, all dried and all sealed. It's done now. It's now 6:45 at night. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's the nights are definitely starting to draw in a bit now. I normally go fishing on a Thursday night after work. I don't get many more fishing trips in now, not with the nights drawing in. Right, I'm off home. I'm going to go get some tea, and I'll see you all on the next video. Thank you for watching.